I am Brahmasri Pradeep Panigar Kurichi. I have 45 years experience in astrology field. Astrology and black magic is very old shastra. In all over the world, many names, many types of astrology. In India, so many types of astrology method. Akhori Mandrigam, Buddhist Mandrigam, Kudotram, black magic, and so many types. Arabic Mandrigam. Many types of Vashigarans are there. Astrology is the main part of one thing, that is love Vashigaran matter. Vashigaran is the main part of astrology because in all world so many people suffering love issues. One lady or one boy, they are separating in silly matters. Their ego, they can't reunion to their love. They can't reunion to their love. So the ego is the main problem. That time, your lover will gone. What will do? You will cry, you will suffering tension and other things badly affected to you. That time you can believe astrology. Because I have do lot of Vashigaran Puja in my life, in all over the world. 138 countries, I will do the all karma in astrology. So you can suffering any love issues, you can do that Vashigaran Puja and contact me. Vashigaran Puja is so many types. I have do 5 types of Vashigaran Puja. Mohini Vashigaran Puja, Rajagopala Vashigaran Puja, Rajasuya Vashigaran, Ashwaruda Vashigaran, Sarva Mohini Vashigaran. So the all puja are powerful puja. That puja will do, I will check your matter and connect to my Murti. You need the puja, I will check your matter, then I will decide with my Murti. All Vashigaran puja are powerful. What you need, I will check to my God, and my God is tell this puja will do. Their matter is closed. Then you can satisfy your love. Your lover will come back. That is a miracle of love Vashigaran Mantrika. I have 45 years experience in astrology and black magic field. Lot of black magic removal I will do in my life. So you can suffering any love issues or other astrological issues, you can contact me. I will give my number in this video last. You can contact me anytime. All astrology matter I will check. Your horoscope, your marriage equals or Talkalika Prasna, and check with Anchanam, that is called Mashinotam. All matter I will do in astrology. So any kind of issues you are suffering, you can contact me in any time. Okay, God bless you all.